Hi, this is Vince Arcuri. Little by little, I'm working on this painting of the two labs, and I put a little time in every couple of days. It's oil paint, so it stays fresh. And I'm working with 5 colors. I mix them on here, and then I check them by holding the by holding the paint mixture up to the thing I'm trying to paint. To match. You actually put it right on, then you wipe it off. I have a large printer I purchased that'll print 11 by 17, and then I have a laminator to laminate it. And I made this. The brushes in use I put here, like the dark color, medium color, the light color, and then the highlight. Here's my, I clean my palette off with this. And then I just put it in a towel. And I made this up to wipe the brushes off. And this is for a rag. I want to hang a rag off it. I also made this a maul, MAHL. This is nice. I hold this up here, and then my other hand I lay it on it with the brush. This moves. And then I could put it right here. And this is my brush cleaner. I had one of these 30 years, 40 years ago. They make them the same way. The old paint lays on the bottom, and every so often you could change the fluid. And what I use is gambling Gamsol. Odorless. I bought the big tubes for the 5 colors that I use. I got the Winsor Newton, the 200 milliliter, and they don't make the cadmium yellow in that size, believe it or not. So I got this brand, 150 milliliter tubes. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it, very happy. I got my divider, proportion divider. Now this, I'm making this 1-to-1. You know, I put what they call golden lines. I did this in Photoshop, and I had a vertical line here, and I had a horizontal line across here. Then, you could, from this line, for example, you could say, here's the center of the nose. This way, when you come over here, here's the line. You could see part of it there. I'm happy with it. Okay, thought I'd share that with you guys. Now this glass, in case you're interested, Home Depot, and it's a shelf. You buy it in the shelving area. And it's thick. It's 1/4 inch thick. And I have it to hinge up if for some reason I want to, just say I want to change the gray underneath it, this I could just pick this up. It hinges here on this nylon tape. Holds it up nice. And this was a hospital bed table, just like that. And this is, I reinforced this in my shop, and I extended the wheel out. Ordinarily, the wheel was under here. And believe it or not, there's so much weight in the front that it almost tipped once. Almost tipped on me. The big to-do with that is this is a monitor. I hooked this to my network, and I could bring up Photoshop on my computer, and then I have the monitors set up so that NVIDIA. I got the NVIDIA video card, so I could set it up where I could open Photoshop here, and then with the mouse I move it there, and then from there I move it and it comes right to here. All right? That works good. Now if I want to use my projector, I got a projector, and that'll project onto canvas, and then with a pencil you do your outline. Okay, Vince Curie, and I thank you for watching.